In this video, I'll show you how to receive crypto on Mexc. This video is only for educational purpose only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. Now, open your Mexc. If someone wants to send you crypto and you want to receive crypto on your Mexc, if you click on this deposit, now just click on deposit, click on the first option. You can see there's a whole lot of crypto options here. You can receive crypto from USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, Sol, a whole lot of them. So let's say if someone wants to send you Bitcoin, I want to use this for example now, and you want to receive on Mexc, what you need to do, you need to come on here, click on the deposit. You're going to see BTC, or you can come on and just type it. That means I want to search for Tron, type in Tron. So once you click on it now, you're going to see the first thing you should know is that you should be very aware of the network you are sending or the network you're transacting on. So each cryptocurrency, I think most of them, they have different networks. So if you want to receive Ton, there's the Ton Ethereum network, there's the Ton coin network. So it still applies to, let me say, if you want to receive USDC now, so this is USDC. If you click on it now, you can see there's a whole lot of networks here. So be very sure with the network you want to receive. So there's USDC, BNB, Sol, Ethereum, a whole lot of them. So that is what you need to know. Then you can also receive, just once you click on the coin you want to receive, you're going to be able to see the deposit address. So each crypto has their own chain. So the Ethereum, the Base, like a whole lot of them. So you need to be sure the network you're transacting on for you to be able to allow everything to go well for you. So if you have any questions, please do wait to ask me below in the comment section. I'll be really pleased to hear from you. So this is basically how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.